Are you a member yet? Do you want to win free merchandise or free tools? Member-exclusive prize draws get you free merch, tools, gift cards, and more. Email members@TekamoHD.com to be automatically entered to win member appreciation prize draws. Like these crow's feet. Or these. Some have US, some have Canada flags.
I'm a pretty strong guy. I actually am.
Oh! You're watching Service Call, proudly produced by Tekamo and sponsored by Fortis HD and Rent One. In this episode, Elmer from Florida fixes a forklift head gasket.
Look at that. This thing must have been leaking oil like crazy.
Well, in Canada, it's business as usual for Cam.
You're doing a big service, like full shebang. Inspection forms with it, right? Don't forget your lunch. All right, yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Update you later. Bye.
Today we got a full brake job to do on this small TCM. There's a 3,000 pound forklift, and we also have to do the head gasket on it because it's consuming coolant. So take the head off, take it to the machine shop, and then they'll have it ready by tomorrow. We'll come back, put the head in, all new gaskets, and by that time the brake should be fixed. Cause look at this, it's got no pedal. The only thing that works is the handbrake. So first things first is remove this from here. He's gonna be doing the brakes while I do the head. Yeah, go from there, stick around. Look at this oil leak. It's very common for it to leak oil through this seal right here. But once I take the head off, I'll clean all that off and reseal it. That's pretty bad actually. All the brake parts and the gasket kit. We're also doing the parking brake cables. That's all the parts we need for today. It's being held together by tape. Just gonna start tearing down now. Gotta take everything out of the way. Intake side, exhaust side, everything out. I'll leave the obviously the radiator on, but I'll take the fan belt off, the fan, distributor, everything off. So this is a spark plug from cylinder number 1, and you can tell it's been burning coolant because of the white, and also a little bit of oil too. So once it's done being clean, it should be good to take the head off. I think that's top dead center. I put cylinder 1 in top dead center. I'm gonna put a mark on the crank pulley right now so that you guys can see it on the camera. You see that little, looks like a pin right there? That needs to line up with the yellow mark, and then you're in top dead center. With engines like Toyota engines and stuff like that, I've worked on them so many times that I don't need to do that, but this little Mazda engine, I've never actually worked on this one before, so I wanna make sure I line my marks up before I take the distributor out. That way when I go to put it back in, at least I have an idea of the marks. It's a lot easier that way. So these are all like semi-loose. Look at that. This thing must have been leaking oil like crazy. Well, I'm saying once the valve cover gasket breaks like this, it's not stopping any oil leak.
Why do you cover it like that?
Just so debris and stuff like that, something from like the trees or whatever, doesn't get inside the engine. I don't want anything getting in there. This is a thermostat housing. Look how damaged that is. That's due to water. Look at that in there. Apparently it's supposed to rain here pretty soon, in about an hour and a half. So we're trying our hardest to get everything done. At least want to get the head out. It's almost out. I just got to take the intake manifold out, take the water pump out, and then I can take everything off. Those clouds over there are coming in pretty quickly here in about an hour, so I don't know if he's gonna get the brakes done in time, but if anything, we got tomorrow and Wednesday to finish it. It's the bad thing about Florida as well is it'll rain, especially in the summer, it'll rain when you least expect it. It's not too bad. Bro, if this wasn't so dirty, we'd be out of here by now. This at one point had a lot of just water. You see all the discoloration? The coolant doesn't really do that. So I'm gonna recommend to them to change it either way because I don't like that. All right, so this is ready to come out basically. I just gotta take the push rod thingamajiggy, whatever, and then just take the head bolts out. And I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, this side here stays in place. But once you take this off, it comes out of here with the cam gear as well, the cam lobe. There's a camshaft right there. So either way, I have to take the tension out of this to be able to take the head out. So it's a lot of work. Yummy.
No,
there we go. Ah, what a piece of design. right, so we finally got the head out. It was a little difficult because it split the front face where I had the camshaft and the timing chain. It was very difficult to get to. So, but we got it out, and you can tell it's been burning a lot of coolant. And all the water passages here are pretty bad. It's gonna be a lot of labor in this side of cleaning it, replacing the valve seals, and then we have to grind down the valve with the valve lapping compound. But we're gonna take it now real quick. It just started raining right now. We're gonna take it to the machine shop. We're gonna get it resurfaced. Hopefully have it ready by tomorrow morning. The brake job's already done. We just gotta replace the master cylinder and bleed it, and it's all done. So everything's going according to plan.
Lightning and the thunder.
We missed the rain by this much. That was a close call. So catch you on the next video. Subscribe, like, or I'll come steal your sockets.
Hey, got a question for you.
Meanwhile, up in Canada, here's Cam, just doing his thing, making the rounds, and keeping everything on track like he always does.
Thanks, dude. I'll chat with you later. Hey, what up, liner boy? That was our protrusion. Oh, that looks good. I need you to go to and do some do a service on a CX-80. Okay. For now, though, like it's not a rush, but let's unload all your parts, all your dump it here, and then the head, just put it on the trailer for now or something, like wherever's easy to get to. Okay. We could just reuse them, but like, why? The cross hatching is like pretty fucking low, right? You see that? That's not how you cross hatch, right? Let's get new liners. I'll get a tool for it. What else do we want to get for this? I'm like racking my brain on what else I wanted to get because I know there was something. I think that's it. I don't know. Leave it in the comments. Let me know. It'll be too late by then, but whatever. I cannot think right now. You know what I mean? Like my brain is just stalled out. Oh, I remember what I wanted to get. Groove, piston ring groove cleaner. Estimated delivery today and tomorrow. There we go. Done. Done. Got the tools. Oh boy. I gotta get Felix's rolling. Ooh. Ooh wee. Put the head on like a pallet here. I'll grab you a pallet. It's a cute pallet. That's a nice little one. Here, let's boom it down over here. Take the oil with you. You're doing a big service, like full shebang. Inspection forms with it, right? Take it. Sorry. Let me go check the sea can, see if there's any more. There's some squeezy bottles before. I don't know if we still got any left. Yeah, this is my sea can. Welcome to the shop. Sea can tour. This actually used to be what we worked out of before we had the shop. We just had a sea can in a yard. This was all my consumables and part storage and like that, you know, all our, you know, Loctite and roll lock discs and all that was in here. Then we got the shop and we just use the sea can for storage now, overflow. That's it, this is my sea can. I just gotta have a place to put shit. So, humble beginnings. Yeah, 2 years ago I was here. Not here, this location, but different location, but this sea can. I don't know, it's nice, I miss it. I miss simplicity sometimes, but. Simplicity, her name was Simplicity. Oh, take this coolant too, sorry. Well, yeah, coolant too. It's the whole shebang. You're gonna be there all day, probably. Sorry, I didn't tell you. What a piece of shit. Don't forget your lunch. What are we doing? He's just loading up that service and then we might go for a drive out to Sunshine Valley. Let's see. I just need to make an adapter for this. That's right, adapter die. Don't look, I'm stealing my boy's tools. Oh, do I use these? I'll buy him a new pair if I f them up. You can't f these up. I can't use it right now because I don't have the proper line. Okay, so that's that. Let's see if we can go get some adapters sorted out. Thanks, Ian. I'm putting it back. I'll go get my own. I'm sorry, okay? Ooh, what's this? Is this my alternator? I'll bring this with us too. Let's do some running around today. Gabagoo. I grabbed a little bin. My breakfast. Breakfast from like 3 days ago. Wow, look at this. This is our new stock room. New old, old new. That's how I single people out and come here. Bin. Bin, stop getting distracted, you. don't want to put this dirty bin in my truck. Cool. I know. My bin. Don't put it down because I will forget it again. Okay, I'll see you out there and close this up. This is what everybody tells you need to get, you know, like, you don't need a nice new truck, just buy a box, you know? I'm like, yeah, okay, here. This is as of a box as I would buy, and it's still a nice little truck. I wouldn't even like to call it a box. That thing's fucking mint. Anyways, let's get in here before I forget my bin again. Get video evidence, please. I did bring my bin. Find some injector fittings. Gotta get the alternator there tested and swapped out. I need my head. Sorry, I already forgot. I gotta get that head loaded up. That's what I'm doing. I'm just backing my truck up to grab the head. No, you know what? We're buying a new one. That's right, that was the decision. See what I gotta deal with every fucking day? Don't forget your seatbelt.
Big announcement. We have hats back in stock. We've got 2 new designs for the brown and green. We've got options, Canadian flags, US flags. We even have some cold weather specials, beanies, toques, whatever you guys want to call them. Be sure to follow Tekamo and Fortis on YouTube and Instagram to be notified when these are released. Now back to Cam.
Just want to smooth it out somewhat so it doesn't get all lumpy either. I don't have a rake. Doing my land acknowledgement dance right now. I need a roller though, like a. Yeah, that's it. That's my day. Actually, nice. It's a Friday and I'm off early. 3 o'clock. Early day. I just gotta make sure everything's locked up and the trucks are all locked. And that's about it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I appreciated the company. Okay, we'll see you Monday.
If you need repairs or maintenance for your machine or fleet of machines, reach out to us. We have a vast network of top-tier mechanics across North America ready to help you get your machine back up and running. Reach out to us at dispatch@TekamoHD.com.